Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the Fit app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app. And once you open the app, you will see this. At the beginning, you can scroll down and find the page with the steps and calories. Here we have it. As you can see, we have the list, or rather number of steps taken. And you can tap on steps to open a more detailed info, basically the info throughout the week. We have the graph and the list of days, and also the numbers of steps taken, as you can see. And once you're done checking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Another way to check the steps is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces support the steps widget, and you can add it to check the steps. To do it, open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face. Then find the watch face, for example this one, tap on the settings icon below it. And now we can customize the widgets. As you can see, we have a couple of them right here. And we can add another one. You can also replace one if you want. I'm gonna add another one, so I'm gonna tap on here. Then find the fit category, select it. Then select status, or stats rather. And then tap on steps. And once you add these steps, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And here we have it. Oh, we had it too. I didn't check before, but we had these steps right here too by default, so we didn't need to add them. Okay, and that's how you check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.